Oh, hello friends. This is Pandya welcoming you to my channel Maintenance Operation Project Management, the Total Dynamic Solution Part 2. Friends, if you are new, you have not seen the earlier video, please go through it, understand the concept. It is going to help you a lot. I have worked very hard to make your life easier, so don't forget to subscribe, give lot of likes, lot of shares. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. Friends, not taking much time, moving to the goal. Start. Friends, taking small portion of the last video to quickly update you for and keep track on the concept. Friends, this is the, you can able to see here there are 16 differentiation of a particular company. This 16 differentiation is based on the production, operation and maintenance requirement. So whatever the assets available has to be planned for some maintenance hours. If you are not planning, that is a biggest loss for the company. Since you are not planning to take care, it may go to a failure mode. It is bound to happen. So that's why you have to plan for the preventive maintenance. Friends, this chart you can able to see the plant availability. I have purchased the asset, I have commissioned it. Meanwhile, see, I am not going to utilize it 100% because it is not at all possible. Which is not, there may be some holidays, there may be some preventive maintenance. So see, if we take the case of 1014, I have planned the assets for the operation 99.67%. Whereas actually I have utilized the assets for the operation 99.77%. The same thing I have utilized for the maintenance is 0.23%. So this is the planned availability, what I have planned, that I will make this asset available for 99 point so and so percentage. Actually it is more than that, and how I have utilized. So that bifurcation you will get it here. So I have planned for preventive maintenance, I have planned for the predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance, there are numbers of category. Friends, you can decide your own. With the help of this tool, you can decide your own plan. This tool, this system, this concept is going to help you a lot. So you have to plan this preventive maintenance. Some categories, some department, some machines can be planned. Friends, you can able to see here, I will show you. This is the, I just see, this is the minutes planned. This is the department, these are the machines, these are the locations, this is the minute plans, and this is the what actually minutes completed. Right? Further I can increase it. Now you can able to see. So if we take the case of 1001 248 580 minutes planned, 1001 226 260 is the actual. This percentage is what is the difference between the planned availability and the actual availability. You can able to see it from there, 0.46%. So this planned minutes and this is the actual minutes, as well as This is the predictive minutes. Same 37260. I will explore it. 37260 27000. Right? This is the minutes. Now this is predictive, and this is the reactive. This is the reactive. 1001 150. Here you can see the location wise. I am having 50 assets in 1001, or I am having 100 assets. Previous my video, if you see it, you can able to see there, right, which location having how much asset. Now this is the MTBF for the entire year. So this is the MTBF. Is I have got actually the performance of that particular location. If I am taking the case of 1008, 1,79,520 minutes I have actually got from April to March. This is the MTTR, mean time to repair. This is actually I got 131 minutes actually I got. So this is the actual performance. Now I am taking you friends to the preventive. Friends, this is the preventive dashboard. Predictive. I will little bit explore it. So friends, again little bit I will explain you. There is a preventive maintenance. This much category has been planned. You can able to see more than 6 category it has been planned. Now taking the case of 2021. Friends, I am giving the example of 2021 because you can see the plan, you can see the actual, and you can see the projection 2022, correct? So this is the scheduled plan. See how much preventive maintenance activities has been planned. 931, 99, 162, 72, 16, 66, 136. Out of that, how much completed? This is the plan versus actual. Right? This is the time. This is the time location wise. This is the actual. Right? This is the what plan versus actual. There is a gap. What is that gap? The definition of gap is here, friends. This is machine not available, manpower not available, not done, RCRT. These are the gaps. So this area showing you what should be your next action plan to cope up your plan versus actual, correct? So this is why it is specifically I am telling you it is a dynamic. This is the reason. Now it is showing you the achievement plan versus actual. We will take the case wherever there is a more in numbers gap analysis. You can able to see 1007, 195 is the gap. You can able to see here. See the achievement is only 9%. Again I am taking you the case of 100645. 100, that is the achievement of only 31%. So it is directly giving you an indication, directly giving you the action plan. You have to attack on this particular department. This is preventive maintenance. Now again predictive maintenance. Friends, predictive maintenance, you might understood the concept. Asset has came, asset has been planned for preventive and predictive, correct? Irrespective of the warranty, guarantee, any other free service, that is manufacturer suggested. Now we are decide our own strategy. This is the predictive maintenance, right? Predictive maintenance, now here I am saying, showing you. See, this is the identified abnormalities in predictive maintenance. So it is the differentiated for the department. You can able to see 106, 125, 48, 12, 95, 509, 318, 4. This is the number of abnormalities. Now this one is yes, it is very important. See, repeating abnormality. 1 minute. These 509 numbers of abnormality is from the 67 number of the problem only. So if I am able to control 67 problem, I can able to solve 509 problem. So it is like that only. You will take the case of this 95. Exactly it is 12 problem only. It is a 12 problem. That is a 8 problem only. So wherever the repeating the problem, it will showing you. Now this is abnormality plan. This is what abnormality has been planned. This is what abnormality has been completed. This is what the actual achievement. You can able to see here. Little bit I will show you. One minute. See, this is department wise allocation 100% to 94%, friends. So this is the it is very easy. This is plan, this is actual, this is percentage, numbers, minutes, what you want. There is no limit. It is limitless. Whatever you want, you can get it. This is planned time, right? This is actual time. I am little bit expanding, correct? Able to see actual time. This is distinct count. So same machine is repeating or different machine repeating. Friends, this is what even you particularly will take the case. Now I am taking the case of August. So what is my performance in August? Everything will reflect here. If I am selecting machine, it will move. See, if this machine is not there in August month, so you can go with any direction. You can go with either problem, either location, or with the ear or with the problems or with the spares, whatever you want. Hope you like this. Please continue to watch. Please continue to understand the concept. I have worked very hard for making your life very simple. Please understand. Please like, share, subscribe, share with lot of professionals so no one should left out. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll meet very soon.